What is a function? A function is a relation in which each input is paired with exactly one output. For example, in the relation f, that's about x, we call that f of x, equals 2x plus 3, the input is x. The output is f of x. And to find the output, we will plug in x with different numbers, and we'll do 2 times that number for x and add 3. And whatever comes out, that's going to be our output. So for example, if we have x equals 1, then 2 times 1 plus 3 equals 5. 5 would be the output for when the input is 1. A function whose inputs and outputs can be graphed to create a line. That is called a linear function. So, for example, the notation would usually look like f of x equals mx plus b, or we will sometimes see y equals mx plus b. A number pattern that is similar is called an arithmetic sequence because it increases or decreases by the same number, or we call it a common difference throughout the pattern, and that would give us a similar graph, which is a line. So for example, if we have 5, 10, 15, and 20, then we want to find the common difference. First, we need to find just the pattern. So we can look at going from 5 to 10. The pattern is that it increased by 5 because 5 plus 10, 5 plus 5 is 10. And then we check the next two numbers. 10 plus 5 is going to give us the next number, which is 15. And 15 plus 5 is going to give us the next number, which is 20. We can see that each time the difference between the two numbers that's next to each other is always the same. So that's why we call that a common difference. And add 5 is the common difference here. In example 2, write the next 3 terms of the arithmetic sequence. If we can find the common difference, then we can use it to predict the next 3 terms. So the way to find it is to see what pattern we need to go forward. We could guess a number and then see if that number works for each pair that's next to each other. But a faster way to do it might be if you just subtract 29 by 33 to find the difference between the two numbers. And 29 minus 33 is going to give us negative 4. So we can see if that's true. So if we put negative 4 here, okay, so 33 minus 4 is going to give us 29. Okay, if this is the common difference, then it should work here to get 25. So 29 minus 4, again, is 25. 25, if we do minus 4 again, it is going to be 21. So we verify that subtracting 4 going forward, that's the common difference. Now using this pattern, we can then write the next 3 terms. 21 subtract 4 again is going to be 17. 17 subtract 4 again is going to be 13. 13 subtract 4 again is going to be 9. So the next 3 terms of the arithmetic sequence is 17, 13, and 9.